Basic English learning letters and vowels and consonants. Let's cover the basics of English letters, vowels, and consonants. English alphabet. The English alphabet consists of 26 letters. Here they are. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Vowels. In English, there are 5 vowel letters, A, E, I, O, and U. These letters represent both short and long vowel sounds. Short vowel sounds. A, as in cat or apple. E, as in bed or red. I, as in sit or pig. O, as in dog or paw. U, as in cup or bus. Long vowel sounds. A, as in cake or late. E, as in see or me. I, as in bike or time. O, as in hope or home. U, as in rule or mule. Consonants. Consonants are all the letters in the English alphabet except for the vowels, A, E, I, O, U. Here are the consonant letters. B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. Examples of consonant sounds in English. B, as in ball or rabbit. C, as in cat or circle. D, as in dog or red. F, as in fish or coffee. G, as in goat or good. H, as in hat or hello. J, as in jam or juice. K, as in kite or key. L, as in lamp or love. M, as in mug or mother. N, as in net or nice. P, as in pen or park. Q, as in queen or quick. R, as in rat or rain. S, as in sun or sit. T, as in top or time. V, as in van or visit. W, as in wet or window. X, as in box or exit. Y, as in yes or yellow. Z, as in zoo or zero. Remember that English pronunciation can have variations, and the examples provided are just general guidelines. Continuous practice and exposure to the English language will help you become more familiar with letters, vowels, and consonants.